Today we're looking at the 2026 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Trail Boss in a Cypress Gray. This one is powered by a 3.0 liter DURAMAX diesel engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. Let's go check it out. Inside we have our black interior leather heated seats on both sides, and of course down below we do have our power seat controls. Up top we have our leather wrapped heated steering wheel, and inside you'll find our infotainment system with built-in Google Maps to go alongside our wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We also have our volume scroll wheel here at the bottom left, and down below we do have our dual climate control zones. To the right of that we have our USB-C and USB charge ports, and to the left we have our trailer brake controls, as well as our push-to-start ignition. This vehicle also does come equipped with keyless entry and remote start. Here's some extra storage here, as well as down below. 2 cup holders, our shifter, and inside our middle console here we have plenty of space and storage to go alongside our wireless charging pad, our USB-C and USB charge port, and our AC outlet here on the right hand side. Moving along the interior here, if we take a look at the driver's side door, we do have our automatic power windows, and right above that we have our adjustable side mirror controls. Up top by our handle we have our power locks, and down here you'll find our park brake, our drive modes, and our automatic high beam controls. Taking a look at the steering wheel here on the right hand side, you'll find our voice recognition to go alongside our menu selector. Of course, on the left hand side you'll find our cruise control settings, as well as our heated steering wheel and our forward collision alert. If we put this vehicle into reverse, you will see it does come equipped with a built-in 360 view camera to go alongside a rear view camera and all your other settings here down below. Up top we have our universal home garage opener, and of course our power controls for our lovely sunroof. Jumping onto the back here, we still have our black interior leather seats with plenty of legroom and space for anyone sitting back here. If we take a look in the middle, we do have our USB-C charge port, as well as our USB-C charge port, 2 vents, 2 cup holders, and behind each front seat there is cubbies with extra storage. Speaking of storage, we have additional storage inside the seats itself, as well as underneath. Up top, we have our middle cup holders, and last but not least, our rear power sliding window. Checking out the exterior here on our Trail Boss, we have our blacked out Chevy bow tie badge in the middle, black grille, front facing camera of course, Z71 badge on the side, and our red tow hooks at the bottom. We have LED headlights and fog lamps. And moving along to the side here, we have our 20-inch black rims on our Bridgestone tires, our adjustable side mirrors like I mentioned earlier, black accents trim along the windows, as well as our handles with keyless entry, tint in the rear window. And moving along to the side here, we do have our Trail Boss decal, as well as our corner assist steps on each side. We have our dual chrome exhaust at the bottom here, as well as our spare tire. And we also have our easy lift tailgate. It'll come down no problem, hands free, to lead you to our spray-on bed liner, and of course our 120 volt outlet here on the right hand side. And that is our 2026 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Trail Boss LT in a Cypress Gray. If you have any questions or inquiries, please feel free to reach out to our sales team, as we're here to help with any questions you may have.